Welcome. I'm Dr. Anisha Gervais, Doctor of Oriental Medicine. I've been an acupuncturist for over 20 years, and I'm thrilled to be part of the Osher Center for Integrative Health at the University of Miami. The history of acupuncture. For those of you who are new to acupuncture, this is one of the fastest growing aspects of integrative medicine in this country. 1 in 10 Americans has tried acupuncture, and 50% of hospitals in this country now have acupuncturists on staff. It is great to see the growth of how acupuncture has spread and bloomed in this country since the 1970s. Acupuncture is part of traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, and is one of 8 branches. It is a science that is 3,000 years old. Other branches include acupressure, Chinese herbs, moxibustion or heat therapy, Tui Na or therapeutic massage, Tai Chi or therapeutic exercise, Qigong or energy work, and diet and lifestyle. Styles of acupuncture. Acupuncturists are also trained in different conditions such as cupping for pain, gua sha to invigorate the skin and muscles, plum blossoming, ear bloodletting to clear excess heat, electricity for stronger stimulation for pain, and more. Each acupuncturist will come up with their own practice style of what techniques they integrate with acupuncture. In my unique style, I combine acupressure, aromatherapy, guided meditation and breath work, and sound healing with tuning forks. Benefits of acupuncture. Acupuncture is the most popular branch of TCM because it is so effective for treating many conditions for body, mind, and spirit. It is best known for treating pain, whether it is acute or chronic. I see amazing results with headaches, migraines, neck and low back pain, all types of joint pain, arthritis, fibromyalgia, sports injuries, and even pre- and post-surgery to speed up recovery. Acupuncture works well for mental and emotional health, and this is one of my specialties. It reduces stress and anxiety, elevates the mood, improves depression, and seasonal affective disorder. I have seen clients be able to reduce their medications or come off them completely with time if they respond well to acupuncture. It also heals trauma and PTSD, enhances well-being, and is wonderful for overall emotional balance. It can boost memory, enhance intelligence, and reduce test-taking anxiety for kids. Many feel it catapults their spiritual awakening by creating clarity, deeper perception, and a feeling of gratitude in their lives. There is really no bodily system that acupuncture cannot benefit. It improves digestion and treats a range of digestive disorders from constipation, diarrhea, IBS, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, reflux, and nausea. It deepens the quality of sleep, treats sleep disorders such as insomnia, excessive dreaming, nightmares, and restless leg syndrome. It also regulates energy well, and I have worked with many clients with chronic fatigue syndrome over the years. Acupuncture has a profound effect on the nervous system and can treat many neurological issues from MS, Parkinson's, migraines, and more. It addresses respiratory issues such as allergies, asthma, chronic cough, shortness of breath, and sinus congestion, sinus headaches, and sinusitis. It boosts immunity, so it can be used preventively or to treat immune disorders. For cancer clients, this is a great treatment concurrent with chemotherapy to reduce the harmful side effects. Acupuncture is very effective to balance the hormones and treat hormonal issues. One of my specialties is women's health, and we can address the whole spectrum from the onset of menses and menstrual issues all the way to menopause. All the symptoms of PMS can be drastically reduced from month to month, so within 3 to 4 months, most women can be free of PMS. This is such a profound lifestyle change for most of the women I see, and they are so grateful to be free of pain. Acupuncture has become popular to enhance fertility in both men and women and increase the chances of success with IVF. I love being able to support couples in this journey. For menopausal women, acupuncture can reduce hot flashes, night sweats, and improve sleep. It can also be effective for treating addictions, whether it is to nicotine or other substances, and we use specific protocols with ear acupuncture for great results. In general, regardless of what the main complaint is that you seek acupuncture care for, most people will experience greater energy and focus, less stress, an enhanced sense of well-being, deeper sleep, boosted immunity, balanced hormones, improved digestion, and a sense of ease in your body. This is true wellness. How does it work? One of the most frequently asked questions is, how does acupuncture work? There is a lot of research that has been done through the NIH, or National Institute of Health's Department for Integrative Medicine, with numerous conditions. The simplest answer is that acupuncture has a profound effect on the nervous system, triggering the relaxation response within just a few minutes of needles being inserted. It triggers the release of serotonin and endorphins so that we feel relaxed. It affects the brain and is excellent for regulating pain because MRI research shows that the pain center of the brain shuts down during acupuncture, so we experience a reduction in pain. If you are interested in more research on acupuncture for specific conditions, visit acupuncture.com or acufinder.com are great resources. The TCM explanation of acupuncture's mechanism is that it stimulates your body's innate intelligence to promote the deepest level of healing. This is the most natural way you can reestablish balance. Instead of treating specific symptoms or disease states, acupuncture harmonizes the underlying energetic imbalances that exist before these manifest, thereby creating long-term health and balance. Remember that acupuncture is not meant to be a substitute for standard Western medical care, but as a treatment to integrate and enhance results. I always recommend my clients inform their doctors that they are doing acupuncture and what benefits they are noticing, so we can work as an integrated healthcare team. Frequently asked questions. One of the most common questions is, does acupuncture hurt? You might feel a little tap on the skin before insertion, but for the most part, it is really painless. We use very thin needles that are not inserted very deep at all. Most people relax deeply and even fall asleep. Even young children find acupuncture relaxing. Does everyone respond well to acupuncture? Everyone responds differently, so it can be hard to make a prediction. In my experience doing this for 20 plus years, 9 out of 10 people do respond well and see steady improvement from visit to visit. If you are one of those 10% of people who don't respond well, we won't know until we give it a try. I encourage new patients to try at least 5 sessions in a row for us to determine that. If there is absolutely no change, then I refer the patient to other modalities and look into other options, but honestly that doesn't happen very often. Most people do respond in the first 1 to 2 treatments, but for others it might take some time for that to happen. What happens in the new patient visit? After completing the initial health history, which is quite long and detailed, we spend the first visit going through the history in detail to understand the main complaints and how the rest of your symptoms might be connected. We look at the roots of these problems and how each symptom is really the body trying to communicate with you what needs attention. We use tongue and pulse diagnosis, and then I give a TCM assessment and determine the most optimal treatment plan to restore health. How often do you have to receive treatments? Most people will come weekly and average between 8 to 12 visits to see resolution of symptoms or steady improvement from visit to visit as the cumulative effect of acupuncture builds. For severe symptoms or intense pain, acupuncture may be recommended twice a week. Your individual response and sensitivity, the length of time your imbalance has persisted, and the specific nature of your symptoms, the severity, frequency, and duration will be factored into account to determine the total number of visits. 3 levels of acupuncture care. It is critical to understand the various levels of acupuncture care to maximize your response to treatments and increase their effectiveness in the short and long term. Level 1 is symptom management. This is the initial weekly treatments for 1 to 3 months to resolve as many symptoms as possible. Most people average about 3 months to get significant relief from their main symptoms. This care will return you to the point before your symptoms started. Level 2 is corrective care. Acupuncture teaches the body over a period of time how to restore harmony and function. In essence, treatment retrains the body energetically to identify with a state of balance instead of a state of imbalance. This can take time, especially if your symptoms are chronic for many months or years. Even after experiencing relief from initial care, it is necessary to continue care so that the symptoms do not resurface. Health is not just the absence of symptoms. We want to move towards creating true, sustainable wellness. Corrective care is the most necessary level of care to address the underlying energetic causes of imbalance that created your symptoms or pain in the first place. It provides longer-lasting relief so symptoms do not resurface with time. To use an analogy, level 1 care stops the leaky faucet, while level 2 care repairs the faucet so it does not leak again. In this phase, we space out treatments from weekly to maybe every 2 or 3 weeks as you see improvement. Level 3 is maintenance and prevention. My goal is to get all of my clients to maintenance and prevention care. In ancient China, it was recommended to do acupuncture seasonally, 4 times a year at the juncture of the seasons when the immune system is weaker and we are more prone to catching a cold or flu or feel run down. For most individuals in our modern day, busy, stressful lifestyles, once a season is not enough, so I usually recommend monthly maintenance treatments. Optimum results with acupuncture involve realizing your fullest potential on every level, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. To achieve this, maintenance treatments strive to keep the body energetically balanced, maintain the level of harmony achieved from the previous levels of care, and prevent future imbalances before symptoms can manifest. I have observed that clients who stay consistent with this routine don't need to come back for weekly treatments again and experience true health and wellness. The patient's role. The more educated you are as a client about how acupuncture works, the better. The more you cooperate with your care and participate, the more successful your results will be. We spend time discussing how you can best support your healing journey through diet, lifestyle, exercise, yoga, meditation, and other techniques. Harnessing the power of the mind also goes a long way. Studies have shown that the more faith and belief you have in any therapy working, the better your results will be. General recommendations prior to treatment. Try to avoid strong stimulants like coffee, as this affects pulse diagnosis. Don't wear strong perfumes or scents. Try not to arrive hungry and have a small snack if you need to. Set aside enough time to arrive early and be relaxed to avoid feeling rushed. Dress in comfortable, loose clothing. After the treatment, hydrate well. Give yourself time to rest and not feel rushed the rest of the day. Avoid vigorous exercise after treatment as your body is still integrating the effects of acupuncture for the next 24 to 48 hours. In conclusion, I hope I have answered some of your questions about acupuncture if you are a new patient and made you believe in the power of this amazing, versatile modality. I would love for you to come visit us at our lovely wellness center at the University of Miami and Osher Center for Integrative Health. Please feel free to contact us at osherintegrativehealth@miami.edu for more information about scheduling and pricing. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.